Welcome all. If I tell you that now you don't have to hire expensive graphic designers or you have to wait long hours to get your design. Now it's just a simple task with AI to create your design. Hi, I am Yashvardhan and this is my first series of creating magic with AI, and this is the first video, so please help me in improving. I will share many hacks and tricks which I personally use in daily life of getting my work done with multiple AI tools which I use and get my work done for my marketing agency, printing agency, my other businesses. So it's a very exploring journey that I will share, and there are many tools which AI has changed. So today we'll talk about the designing tool. So we can transform our creativity with just a single tool which can change everything. So before this AI tool was born, how you used to do your designing? You can comment below that which tool you were using, because now with the tool I am going to tell you is the LoveArt. It's an amazing tool which uses Google Nano Banana, and at a very reasonable subscription price you can upgrade yourself, get a premium, and get your designs, amazing designs, done. So I will start with one of the demo. If we talk about pricing, they have monthly pricing and annual pricing. Starter $19, 2000 credit, 2000 credit, $32, 3500 credit. So if you create a single image, it would take around 10 to 15 credits, and if it's a very creative or innovative design, it can take up to 25-30 credits. But with 2000 credits also you can average make around 100-200 designs. So as you can see, I have created many of my projects in this. So we'll start with one design. I will take one of my client example. I have a client named Flower Store Online. I will just copy the link, download the logo, and create and create a post for coming Women's Day. This poster should have a creative hook. It's Lucky Flower. You can take contact details, a website, and also attach logo, add the logo which I have So this I will select. This is the prompt I have given. I will just give mobile number also. So you can give a deep prompt, but yes, in very raw language, anyone can type this basic language and create post. Just I need to define two more things. Design 3 posters size 1080 by 1080 pixels. Yes, this will be carousel post, and just I will click it. So you can see there are two things. First, why LoveArt? Why I prefer LoveArt? There are many tools which you can go through, but LoveArt is one of my favorite because it has two options. First, it uses Nano Banana very differently and very perfectly, and it's optimized according to making creative designs. Also, it has a feature which gives us access in premium version. It gives us access that you can change the existing post which is being designed, and you can change it. Third, it can also resize, or what we call it, enhance the quality. It can make the image bigger easily. So these three posts it has designed. So I have multiple options over here. We can upscale the image. I want this in 4K, 8K. I can upscale this in 4K, and then it will take my 16 credits. I will just upscale it to 2K. It will take my 4 credits, but it will upscale it. So I can increase the quality of my image. If you can see the precise content with proper placement, no one can tell that this is made by an AI, and freelancers can easily use it to create ads, to give to their clients. You can edit text also. For example, I want to she deserve more than words, send flowers. I will just change. Huh. So this is the feature which I was talking about. Call now and get a greeting. I will delete free. Get call now and get a not free. I will apply this, and it will change this free from here, and it will create a new image with removing free word. I can change number, I can change text, I can change anything easily. So the common problem when we create design is through AI is we can't change text, but with the help of LoveArt, this gives us feature that we can easily change text. It's generating. Get a free, get a greeting card. So remover, we can remove something. We can remove background, we can edit text, we can edit elements, like for example, we can change contrast of the image. Like, this is not a dark image, but when you have a dark image, you can just change the contrast of the image. It has video generator, but I don't prefer its video generator because video generator takes too much of time. Also, it's very slow and it take maximum of your credits. So right now I was having 3600 credit, and this creating of these three posts has just taken around 9 credits from my overall credits. And one more advantage is every day it gives me 100 credits upgrade, because there are free credit, so 100 credits update. So now it has given elements differently, so I can move this, I can take out this, I can take out this, I can take this element and move it here. So this something, this we are not able to do it in other tools. But yes, so some mishap has happened, but yes, if we remove if we remove these all mishaps or double text, you will see that you can just switch your content here and there. So this is LoveArt. I would like you all to try it once. You can give your content, your data, your files, and you can create multiple images. I have created multiple images. I have created, like, I will show you some of my older projects. So this is one of the app we are making, and Identico, and in that, see, I upscaled my logo. I have created images like this, this, which would have taken minimum 1 hour of my designer, but with this it was very easy. I have created banners, I have created this, upgraded the logo. So do try this and comment that did you like it or not, and don't forget to subscribe. More AI practically used and practically tried software AI tools I will show you in more coming videos. So this was the part 1, this was the first video, and more videos will be there. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.